Welcome back everyone, and today we're going to be installing and reviewing this reverse light with brake lights that costed $49 on Amazon. So this is how it looks, and we're going to be taking off the stock backup light and replacing it with this one. While taking the lights off, there are two 7mm bolts on the top and on the bottom, and we're also taking off the plug-in harness. So once we plug it in, and we're going to do some rewiring and run a wire to one of the tail lights. So we rewired the red wire to one of the red wires on our tail lights and bolted it back like the stock ones. So this is the finished product, and let's test it out.